Our world is filled with an incredible process that sustains life as we know it, photosynthesis. Join us as we embark on a journey to explore this remarkable phenomenon. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants, algae, and some bacteria convert sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into oxygen and glucose, a type of sugar. Let's dive deeper into the inner workings of this fascinating process. Photosynthesis occurs in the chloroplasts, specialized structures found within plant cells. Within the chloroplasts, chlorophyll, the pigment responsible for the green color of plants, captures sunlight. This captured light energy is then used to power a series of complex reactions known as the light-dependent reactions. During these reactions, water molecules are split, releasing oxygen into the atmosphere, and producing high-energy molecules known as ATP and NADPH. The oxygen released during this process is vital for the survival of all living organisms, providing us with the precious air we breathe. Meanwhile, the ATP and NADPH generated in the light-dependent reactions are used to fuel the next stage of photosynthesis, the light-independent reactions, also known as the Calvin cycle. In the Calvin cycle, carbon dioxide from the air is captured and combined with the energy-rich molecules ATP and NADPH to produce glucose. Glucose serves as the primary source of energy for plants, fueling their growth and providing the building blocks for other essential molecules, such as cellulose. But photosynthesis is not just essential for plants. It plays a crucial role in maintaining Earth's delicate balance. Through photosynthesis, plants remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, helping to regulate our climate and combat the effects of global warming. Scientists and researchers are continuously studying photosynthesis to unlock its secrets and develop sustainable solutions inspired by nature. From improving crop yields to developing alternative energy sources, the potential applications of understanding photosynthesis are vast. As we conclude our journey through the wonders of photosynthesis, let us marvel at the intricate processes that have shaped our world and continue to inspire us. Photosynthesis, a true masterpiece of nature.